that you actually enjoy yourself. Now, how many of you have been to estate planning presentations before? Okay, sometimes they're a little bit like having dental surgery, right? They're confusing. So we want you to enjoy yourself. Secondly, we want to show you some choices that maybe you didn't know that you had that possibly could work in your situation. And third, we would like to see you take some action. They've said that on presentations like this, about 7% of people who listen to presentations ever do anything with the information. 7%. I was a CPA, and I got my CPA certificate in 1969, and my certificate on my wall says that it entitles him to practice as a certified public accountant. Back in the dark ages, I didn't have lady accountants. I would show up for an audit and they'd say, well, you're the auditor? Yes, I am. So I would do last year's taxes, I would compile last year's financial statements, I would audit last year's books. And after a while I thought, you know, I'm just kind of recording history. I want to use the tax laws, financial strategies to help people really do something in the future to create something they want by using all of that. So in 1983, I became a certified financial planner and have been working ever since in the financial planning and estate planning field. So let me just show you kind of the end result. They had the surplus wealth, and we wanted to make sure now, if we did all those strategies, did they have enough for their lifetime? And this shows you how we ran the figures and said, yes, those strategies still left them enough to do everything they wanted. So the results of this plan is they had more cash flow from 2.7 to 6.6 over their lifetime, that they had old financial results is what happened. They owed tax, and they had nothing to charity, and 8.5 to the kids when they really wanted 10 million. And now afterwards, they got the 10 million to all their heirs, they had zero tax, and they had 6 million that went to charity. So like I said, this is just one example that worked for Ken and Doris. They had all their goals, peace of mind, more income, more for their kids and grandkids, and converted their taxes to charitable planning. So this was their plan, and they had the clarity and confidence to act, because you can see giving the money away, you want to make sure you have enough for yourself.